You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Packing your own boxes, filling out your own forms, coordinated movers, insurance, and customs. It sounds doable until it's not. Trying to manage an international move on your own might seem like a way to save money, but it can quickly backfire. We've seen do-it-yourself moves turn into a 6-week custom delay, rejected insurance claims, and frustrated families left scrambling in a foreign country. What's the biggest challenge? Misfiled custom forms, improper packing, which equals denied claims, no support in case of issues abroad. International moving is not just about logistics. It's about regulations, documentation, timing, and risk mitigation. That's where full-service movers like SDC International Shipping step in. We provide professional packing, customs-ready documentation, real-time shipment updates, marine insurance options, destination services. Here's what one of our clients said. We packed ourselves to save money, but our insurance was denied after our TV broke. I wish we'd gone with SDC from the start. Jared B., who moved to the UK. You can be involved without being overwhelmed. We'll guide you through the process while you focus on what matters, your new life. Let us take care of the details. Visit our website. Call 877-339-0267 or visit our website today to make your move effortless.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.